Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs step by step. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk with a pinch of salt and pepper, then heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add a pat of butter. Pour the eggs, stir gently for soft scramble, or let set for sunny side up. Adjust heat to control texture, and remember to taste and season before serving for a simple, satisfying meal. Start with the method that fits your time and taste, and preheat accordingly to avoid undercooking. For frying, use medium heat and a little butter for browning without burning. For poaching, keep water at a gentle simmer and trim whites if needed. For steaming or microwaving, cover to trap steam and check early to prevent rubbery whites. Practice one method until timing becomes second nature. Small adjustments make a big difference when cooking eggs, so focus on temperature and timing. Let cold eggs sit a few minutes to warm up, and salt either before or after based on texture you want. Cook on moderate heat and watch closely, flipping or stirring at the right moment. Resting for 30 to 60 seconds off heat helps set the center without overcooking, giving creamier results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.